Hi everybody, and I've got a lot of people asking me like, how do you use the vitamin C? So there's two ways how to use the vitamin C, how do you drink it, how it works, everything like that. The first way I call the sour way. That's the original way we use. We basically just take some water. All right, you put about so much water in a glass. You see there, how much water, and I do this for the family, and we like to take it like once, twice a day. And what you do is you just take a teaspoon, okay, and then you just level it, because a level teaspoon, like you'll see there, okay, a level teaspoon is around about 4 grams, okay, so you need 4 grams in the morning, 4 grams in the evening, and that's good, or 5 grams, so it's not a problem if it's a little bit heaped. I'll talk to you about how much you take. Let's say if you've got symptoms like flu symptoms or something like that, because then you just up it tremendously. But I'm just showing you how you consume it. So that's the sour way. You will basically just go and stir this, and this will just dissolve. Okay, so I don't like to do the sour way, because after the sour way, you must just wash your mouth with water. Some people just have it like that. Wash it because it goes onto the enamel, and it's not good for the enamel if you leave it there. So just rinse your mouth out with water afterwards, and it's fine. It's just extremely sour. Some people like that taste. I'm not into that taste. So we found this out a couple of months ago, and it's transformed the way we have it. So what we got is we got what we call the power balance over there. There it is there. Power balance. All you do is just take a quarter teaspoon. Now in the power balance, you'll find you might find lumps, but those you can just break, and this is dissolvable. So don't worry about that if you find some lumps. You take a quarter teaspoon or a third of a teaspoon, and you do this, and then you have, okay, something like that happens. So what we say to the children in the mornings, they're going to have a whirlwind, hallelujah, or tornado. So I just do this. Now, literally, you don't even have to stir this. Okay, so you just dissolve it like this, and you basically drink it when it's like 90% dissolved. If you want the bubbles, you can drink it just right like this. All right, see there, you just shake it like that. And it tastes okay. It's not a sweet taste. But basically the pH, it's completely dissolved. You see that? So you don't have to stir it. It's dissolved. You drink it like that. There we go. Okay. So that's a vitamin C. Now, for our son, our youngest son, for children they don't like that. Our oldest son likes this. They like to drink it when the bubbles are still going, and it actually tastes a little bit like Enos. So what you do is you just obviously take a bit of juice. And then we put the vitamin C in again, and we also give him. Sorry, you can use a knife to level it. Okay, we give him that, and then basically we mix it, and now he doesn't like that other stuff with the water. He likes it with the mango juice, but it's fine as long as you can get them to take it. It's very important. All right, so you can give it to babies, you can give it to older people. It's always good if you're not in doubt, just check with your doctor, your medical practitioner. But this is fantastic to get your symptoms down. So that's to keep your immune system strong. That's 4 grams in the morning, or 5 grams in the morning, 5 grams in the evening. It's good to split it up. Don't try to do 10 grams in the morning in one shot. So the other thing is that if you get symptoms, basically the rule is have as much as it needs to take your symptoms away. So literally you can have it if you've got acute symptoms, you can have, say, every 10 minutes, you can have, say, 2 grams of it. So it's half a teaspoon every 2 grams with it, just like that, and just keep having it until your symptoms start to go away. And but we've got more on our website, and we'll send you more information on it. But basically you have it, and then until you reach what's called bowel tolerance. Now bowel tolerance, you know what that is, and you're going to the toilet, but I don't mind a bit of a runny tummy. That's the only real side effect if I'm dealing with like flu symptoms, because I want to get that flu away. So you just take that, and remember, when the symptoms are gone, continue with a high dose, and when you get to bowel tolerance, you can start to reduce the time and reduce the quantity as well. But keep having a lot of mega dosing for the next 2 or 3 days. Don't just stop. So for the next 2 or 3 days, continue with the dose. It's very important. But there's a lot of information on Andrew Saul's website, dryourself.com. Go there, and he answers all the questions. Go to his Facebook page as well. I'll put the link in the description as well. Okay, have a wonderful day and stay healthy.